Start. Shri S. Kumar Menon invoked the jurisdiction of the Scrutiny Committee under Section 11 (3) of the Act, challenging the grant of caste certificate, namely Hindu Pulaya, to the appellant on the ground that the said certificate had been obtained by him on representation and that apart the concerned authority had issued the caste certificate in total transgression of law. The committee conducted an inquiry and eventually, by its order dated 4th February 2006, had returned a finding that the appellant was erroneously issued a caste certificate inasmuch as he was not of Hindu origin and hence could not have been conferred the benefit of the caste status. It is not in dispute that the great grandfather of the appellant belonged to Hindu Pulaya community. Be it stated, the appellant after conversion had obtained a certificate from the concerned community on 5th February 1984. Eventually, the Tehsildar who was authorized to issue the caste certificate had issued the necessary caste certificate. On the basis of the complaint made, the Scrutiny Committee embarked upon an inquiry and recorded a finding holding inter alia that the appellant does not belong to that caste. The report of the Scrutiny Committee appears to have been influenced by two aspects, namely that the appellant was born to Christian parents whose grandparents had embraced Christianity, and second, there is no material brought on record to show that the appellant after conversion has been following the traditions and customs of the community. To arrive at the second conclusion, emphasis has been laid on the fact that the appellant after conversion had married a Christian lady. On the basis of the aforesaid report of the Scrutiny Committee, the state government took action and directed the employer of the appellant, respondent number 2, herein to remove him from service and recover a sum of rupees 15 lakhs towards the salary paid to him. The said report of the committee and the order having the base on the report were the subject matter of challenge before the High Court in appeal. On a perusal of the order passed by the High Court, it is perceptible that it has affirmed the findings of the committee on the basis that the paternal as well as maternal grandfather of the appellant belonged to Christian community and professed Christian faith, that the parents of the appellant were born as Christians and they continued to profess Christianity, that the appellant also was born as a Christian.